Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Adma Green School, Joy Swami Narayan. Today's standard 8th, book history, lesson that is chapter women, caste and reform. Students, see today many students had come to school. So tomorrow in school there is a class test of this lesson. Okay. So if you are coming tomorrow to school, so be prepared with this. इसलिए मैंने आज स्टूडेंट से कहा था कि I will once again just recap this lesson, okay, and उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वगैरह मैं सॉल्व करूंगी, so that कल जो टेस्ट है हमारा ये स्कूल में रिटन टेस्ट, okay, that will be easy for you. See, the very first is women 200 years ago. Okay, क्या स्टेटस था women का 200 years before. Okay, that you all are familiar कि women और girls को सिर्फ घर पे ही रहना था, काम नहीं, उन्हें बाहर जाने नहीं दिया था, सिर्फ घर का काम करना था. And there were many castes, that is Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Okay, यही कास्ट हुआ करती थी. The Brahmins सबसे टॉप थे और शूद्र सबसे डाउन, that is बिल्कुल ही दलित people. Okay, then to bring change to the society, कि जो पहले था वो आगे नहीं हो. सो द फर्स्ट हमारे जो सोशल रिफॉर्मर थे, दैट वाज राजा राम मोहन रॉय. ही फाउंडेड अ रिफॉर्म एसोसिएशन नोन एज ब्रह्मो समाज. He wanted to spread the knowledge of Western education in India and bring about greater freedom and equality for women. Raja Ram Mohan Roy strongly disapproved the miserable conditions of widows in society. He said that the practice of widow burning had no sanction in ancient text. He started a campaign against sati और British officials ने इस काम में सती सिस्टम को बैन करने के लिए they supported राजा राम मोहन रॉय, and ये जो सती सिस्टम बैन हुआ था, it was in 1829. Then comes our next personality जिन्होंने change लेके आए थे, working towards change. He was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was one of the most famous reformers of the 19th century. He used the Asian text to suggest that widows could remarry. His suggestions were adopted by the British officials, and British officials ने इनको भी मदद की, और जो widow remarriage था वो 1856 में उस पे इंसेप्ट किया गया. The movement in favor of widow remarriage spread all the parts of the country. In Madras presidency, Veera Salingam Pantulu in Bombay, young intellectuals and reformers in North India, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, सबने support किया था. Okay. Then comes the next, that is girls begin going to school. Social reformers felt that education for girls were necessary in order to improve the overall conditions of women. और then काफ़ी सारी women's थी जिन्होंने women के बारे में ही लिखा, जैसे बेगम रुकैया सखावत, ताराबाई शिंदे और पंडित रामाबाई. ये ऐसे women थी जिनको अलाउड नहीं था पढ़ना लिखना, लेकिन कई women's ने तो छुपकर फ्लिकरिंग कैंडल की लाइट्स में उन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई की थी, और उन्होंने आगे women girls को भी पढ़ाया. So we go to Begum Rokeya Sakhawat. Muslim women like the Begums of Bhopal played a significant role in promoting education among women. Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hussain started schools for Muslims girls in Patna and Calcutta. Tarabai Shinde and Pandit Ramabai. By the 1880s, Indian women began to enter universities. Many women began to write about the place of women in society. Tarabai Shinde wrote Stri Purush Tulna. Pandit Ramabai wrote a book about the miserable lives of upper caste Hindu women. Pandit Ramabai founded a widows' home at Pune where women were given training so that they could be economically independent. Then comes the next, that is caste and social reform. कास्ट इनइक्वालिटीज क्रिपल्ड आवर सोसाइटी. जो कास्ट का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था उसने हमारी सोसाइटी को पूरी तरह से पैरालाइज कर दिया था, क्रिपल्ड. टू रिमूव दिस, रिफॉर्मर्स टुक डिफरेंट स्टेप्स. Raja Ram Mohan Roy translated an old Buddhist text that was critical to caste. The Pratna Samaj adhered to the tradition of bhakti that believed in spiritual equality of all the caste. In Mumbai, the Paramhans Mandali was founded in 1840 to work for the abolition of caste. Christian missionaries began setting up schools for tribal groups and lower caste children. Then demands for equality and justice, that is Guru Ghasidas, हरिदास ठाकुर, इनके बारे में एक एक लाइन है. देन श्री नारायण गुरु घसीदास फाउंडेड द सतनामी मूवमेंट इन सेंट्रल इंडिया. ये सब लोअर कास्ट को बिलोंग करते थे, इसीलिए इन्होंने जस्टिस के खिलाफ, मतलब उनको जस्टिस मिले उसके लिए इन्होंने आवाज उठाई थी, प्रोटेस्ट किया था इक्वालिटी के लिए. हरिदास ठाकुर, he worked among the low caste. Sri Narayan Guru, he was a guru for the low caste in Kerala. Then Gulam Giri, okay, one of the famous low caste leaders was Jyotirao Phule. वो लो कास्ट के लीडर थे. He protested against a Brahmin claim that they were superior to others as were the Aryans. Jyotirao Phule argued that Aryans were outsiders who subjugated the true children of the country. The upper caste had no right to their land and power. In reality, the land belonged to low caste who tilled it. Then आपको तो पता है पहले जमाने में तो टेम्पल्स में भी आने का अलाउड नहीं था. जो गांव का पानी है उसे भी दलित पीपल को यूज करना नहीं था. ओके, उनको उनका जो छोटा सा कस्बा था उन्हें बिल्कुल कास्ट मतलब गांव से बाहर उन्हें आइसोलेटेड प्लेस में करवाया था. यू कैन आप देखते हो ना भी बी आर अम्बेडकर की दैट इज वो सीरियल आता है, वो दलित थे. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to a Mahar family. Mahar. As a child, he experienced what caste prejudice means in everyday life. In school, he was forced to sit in the grounds outside the classroom. ये तो पहले था. Not to drink water from the taps which were used by the upper caste. Brahmin priests were outraged when the Dalits used water from the temple tank. That is then मतलब कि who could enter temples. पहले टाइम में तो सिर्फ जो ब्राह्मण्स क्षत्रियास जो कास्ट थे उन्हीं को टेम्पल में आना अलाउड था, इन लोगों को तो बिल्कुल नहीं था. देन नॉन ब्राह्मण मूवमेंट अंडर दैट E.V. रामास्वामी नायकर, ही फाउंडेड द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट. देन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग फॉर रिफॉर्म्स, द ब्रह्मो समाज ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ, स्वामी विवेकानंद एंड द रामकृष्ण मिशन, द वेदा समाज, द सिंह सभा मूवमेंट दैट इज बाय द सिख, the Rozio and Young Bengal, the Pratna Samaj, the Aligarh movement. Okay, so that was the end of the lesson. We go to few multiple choice questions. Widow Remarriage Act was passed in the year 1856. The Satya Shodhak Samaj was founded by Jyotirao Phule. E.V. Ramaswamy was known by the name Periyar. Pratna Samaj was founded by R.G. Bhandarkar. The practice of sati was banned in the year 1829. The Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College was established by Sayyid Ahmad Khan. A widow's home was established at Pune by Pandit Ramabai. Peasants and artisans were referred to as Shudras. And the national leader who lent support to demand for greater equality and freedom for women, he was Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. The educationist who started schools for Muslim girls in Patna and Calcutta, she was Begum Ruqayya Sakhawat Hussain. The first Urdu novels began to be written from the late 19th century. Periyar founded self-respect movement. Okay, we go to fill in the blanks. Tarabai Shinde wrote a book named Stri Purush Tulna. The Satnami movement was founded by Dash, who belonged to a low caste family, Ghasidas. The Pratna Samaj adhered to the tradition of Bhakti. Ambedkar was born into a Mahar family, Dalit the ye. Brahmo Sabha was later known as Brahmo Samaj. The aristocratic Muslim household in North India, women learned to read the Quran in Arabic. True or false? Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Arya Samaj in 1875. False. The Begums of Bhopal started schools for Muslim girls in Patna Falls. Pandit Ramabai was a great scholar of Sanskrit and she founded a widow's home at Pune. True. Raj Sundari Devi secretly learned to read and write in the flickering light of candles at night. True. The Arya Samaj was an organization that attempted to reform Hinduism. True. Match the column. The Brahmo Samaj, Calcutta. The Singh Sabha movement, Amritsar. Ved Samaj, Madras. The Pratna Samaj, Bombay. Okay, now we go to very short answers. Some one word or one line answers. What do you mean by sati? मैं बोल रही हूं, अगर आपको साथ साथ में लिखना है आप लिख भी सकते हो. मैं इतना धीरे बोलती हूँ कि आप लिख भी सकते हो. Just write the questions, answers, so आपको easily as you read the text you will get the answers. What do you mean by sati? Widows who chose death by burning themselves on the funeral pyre of their husbands were called sati. Who are considered as upper caste in our society? उस टाइम मैंने आपको बोला था 4 मेन सोसाइटी थे, उसमें से अपर कास्ट है ब्राह्मण्स एंड क्षत्रियास. How did social reformers bring changes in society? Social reformers brought changes in society by persuading people to give up old practices and adopt a new way of life. Was Raja Ram Mohan Roy well versed in many languages? Yes. He was well versed in Sanskrit, in Persian and several other Indian and European languages. Name the founder of Arya Samaj. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who was Mumtaz Ali? Mumtaz Ali was a social reformer who reinterpreted verses from the Quran to argue for the education of women. When did Khalsa College of Amritsar established? In 1892, Khalsa College of Amritsar was established by the leaders of the Singh Sabha movement. Name the writer of the book Stri Purush Tulna. What is it about? Tarabai Shinde wrote the book Stri Purush Tulna. It was about the social difference between the man and the woman. What was the Satya Shodhak Samaj? Who founded it? The Satya Shodhak Samaj was an association that propagated class equality. It was founded by Jyoti Rao Phule. Name one of the upper caste of Gujarat who work for the upper caste. Dublas of Gujarat, वो upper caste के लिए काम करते थे. Landowners cultivating their fields and working at the variety of all jobs at the landlord's house. Who were Aryans according to Jyoti Rao Phule? The Aryans were foreigners who came from outside the subcontinent and defeated and subjugated the true children of the country. Name the founder of Satnami movement in central India. He was Ghasidas, who came from the lower caste. When did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar start temple entry movement? In 1927. Name the Hindu scriptures which were criticized by Periyar. That was Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Two epics. Name some orthodox Hindu associations. Sanatan Dharma Sabhas and Bharat Dharma Mahamandal and Brahman Sabha. Specify the contribution of Christian missionaries in spreading education among tribal groups and lower caste. Christian missionaries set up schools for tribal groups and lower caste children. They were equipped with some skills to make their way into the new world. Name the girls' school which provided girls with the kind of learning that was usual for boys in the 19th century. The Hindu Mahila Vidyalaya was one of the first institutions to provide girls with the kind of learning that was usual for boys in the 19th century. Okay, so that was very short question answers. मैंने multiple choice questions आपके साथ share किए हैं. Fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following. Okay. Then also learn the exercise question answers. Okay, exercise question answers भी है जो आपको learn करना है. Okay, and please do read the lesson. See, इसमें आपके कुछ glossaries भी है, जैसे सती, virtuous women who choose death by burning themselves on the funeral pyre of their husbands. बोलते हैं ना सती, पतिव्रता women, virtuous women. Vaishyas, traders and moneylenders are considered as Vaishyas. Shudras, peasants and artisans come under the category of this. Weavers, potters, conservative people, those who want to maintain old traditions and customs, जो अपने पुराने ट्रेडिशन और कस्टम्स ही चाहते हैं, they doesn't want to change, और जो न्यू चेंजेस को अपोज करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बताया था, जितने भी हमारे सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स हैं, दे वांटेड अ चेंज. ओके, जो इतने टाइम से चल रहा है वो चेंज लाना चाहते थे. और जो कंजर्वेटिव पीपल हैं उन्होंने इसके खिलाफ अपोज किया था, उनको ही क्रिटिसाइज किया था. एक तो वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं, और वो यही लोग जो कंजर्वेटिव पीपल थे वो उन्होंने राजा राम मोहन रॉय और भी जितने भी सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स थे सबको बहुत क्रिटिसाइज किया कि आप लोग कौन होते हो हमारे कल्चर को चेंज करना एंड व्हाट नॉट. ओके, स्त्री पुरुष तुलना, अ बुक पब्लिश बाय ताराबाई शिंदे. इट मीन्स अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन विमेन एंड मेन. Okay, exercise, that is, how did the knowledge of ancient texts help the reformers promote new laws? What were the different reasons people had for not sending girls to school? Why were Christian missionaries attacked by many people in the country? Would some people have supported them too? If so, for what reasons? In the British period, what new opportunities opened up for people who came from caste that was regarded as low? How did Jyoti Rao the reformer justify his criticism of caste equality in society? Why did Phule dedicate his book Ghulam Giri to the American movement to free slaves? What did Ambedkar want to achieve through the temple entry movement? Why were Jyotirao Phule and Ramaswamy Naikar critical of the national movement? Did the criticism help the national struggle in any way? Okay, so students, please do read the chapter 8th और 9th history में आने वाला है. Geography lessons, that is 6 human resources, and civics 8, 9, 10. Okay, I had already completed my syllabus. So today's class, from today class, we will do the revision of each and every lesson. Okay, और जो बच्चे स्कूल में आ रहे हैं मैं उनका रिटन टेस्ट भी ले रही हूँ फॉर प्रैक्टिस, ताकि वो रोज पढ़ के आए, उनका प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाए रिटन. ओके, सो इट इज़ गुड फॉर देम. ओके, एंड प्लीज़ डू कंप्लीट योर बुक्स. जो बच्चे अगर स्कूल नहीं आ रहे हैं वो अपनी बुक्स को स्कूल में आके सबमिट करके जा सकते हैं फॉर मी टू करेक्ट. मैं फिर वो वर्क सबमिशन का मार्क दे दूंगी. एंड प्लीज़ ऑल्सो सबमिट योर सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी. ओके, फास्ट सून एज पॉसिबल. या तो आप स्कूल में आके दे सकते हो या तो फिर आप मेरे को व्हाट्सएप नंबर में सेंड कर सकते हो. ओके, so with this I wrap up my class here, and do read the lesson. और जो भी मैंने आपको बोला है सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी, आपकी बुक सबमिट करनी है आपको. ओके, अगर आप नहीं स्कूल आ रहे हो यू कैन जस्ट सबमिट योर बुक. सो विद दिस आई wrap up my class here. Thank you to all.